Dear boss, hello. We are Boya Packaging Products Company Limited, located in Yuyao City, Zhejiang Province, China. Since 2012, we have been dedicated to providing efficient and environmentally friendly storage solutions to users worldwide. Our vacuum compression bag series has been sold in Germany, the United States, Spain, Poland, Japan, and South Korea, serving over 500 buyers and earning unanimous recognition from our customers. Our mission is simple: to help end users save space, protect their belongings, and reduce resource waste through innovative technology. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our core product, the Vacuum Compression Bag Series, a revolutionary solution for home storage. Our vacuum compression bags come in 3 categories. 1. Flat compression bags. Boya's flat compression bags are the perfect solution for maximizing storage space. Available in printed, transparent, and fabric styles, they are fully customizable. Simply place your items inside, seal the zipper, and remove the air using a vacuum or hand pump. Instantly, save up to 75% of space while keeping your belongings protected for the long term. Ideal for seasonal storage, travel, or moving, Boya's flat compression bags help you stay organized and clutter-free. 2. Hand roll compression bags. Boya's hand roll compression bags make packing easy. No vacuum needed, just roll out the air and save up to 75% space. Available in printed and transparent styles, perfect for travel and moving. Stay organized wherever you go. 3. 3-dimensional compression bags. Boya's 3-dimensional compression bags save up to 75% space. Perfect for bulky items like blankets and pillows. Just pack, seal, and remove air by your body weight. Ideal for storage, moving, and organizing. Smart storage made simple. Each category is available in various kinds and sizes and made from high-quality materials like PA, PE, and PET, ensuring durability and reliability. Using our vacuum compression bags is simple and efficient. Here's how. Step 1. Place your clothes, bedding, or other items inside the bag. Step 2. Seal the bag using the zipper or roll-top closure. Step 3. Use a vacuum cleaner or hand pump to remove the air from the bag. Step 4. Watch as the bag compresses, saving up to 75% of storage space. Our bags are designed to protect your items from dust, moisture, and pests, making them perfect for long-term storage. Vacuum compression bags are versatile and can be used in many ways. Travel. Pack more clothes in your suitcase without taking up extra space. Seasonal storage. Store winter coats, blankets, or summer clothes compactly. Moving. Protect and organize your belongings during a move. Space saving. Maximize closet or storage room space. Emergency kits. Store emergency supplies like blankets or clothing in a compact, easy-to-carry format. With Boya's vacuum compression bags, you can simplify your life and make storage hassle-free. At Boya Packaging, we're committed to delivering innovative storage solutions that make life easier. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can meet your needs. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you.